So here's how to automate your social media posts using Claude. So we're going to need three different tools for this. We need Claude, then we need OneUp, the social media scheduling tool, and Google Drive. So Google Drive is where we can store our images or videos that we will pull from for our posts. So here's how it works. First, let me move this over. We're going to go to Customize, go to Connectors, and we are going to add OneUp as a connector. So to do that, go to Add Custom Connector. You can type OneUp for the name, and then in this field here, the remote MCP server, we are going to, I have the OneUp API docs pulled up here. I'm here in this section, OneUp MCP connector. You're going to copy this URL, just this front part, and whoops, we can paste it in here. And then at the end of the URL, you're going to add your API key. So you can find that here in OneUp by going to this page, and then you can copy your API key from right here, and then paste it in, hit add, and then the OneUp account is connected. In OneUp, you'll want to have your accounts connected. From the accounts page, you can connect a number of social media accounts, whichever ones you want to post to here. After, you're going to add the Google Drive connector. That will allow you to pull your images or videos into your posts. All right, so once that is done, we can go here. All right, so then from here, I can ask Claude, create 10 posts over the next 10 days, posting at 12 p.m. each day to the testing Facebook page. So in my OneUp account, I already have a Facebook page called Testing created, but you could say to all my social accounts, and it would work as well. Pull an image from Google Drive for each post and write a caption based on what is in the image. So it can look at your image or video for that matter and write a caption describing what it thinks is happening in the image. All right, so I'll hit enter and see where this gets us. Okay, so I fast forwarded a bit so you didn't have to sit through the Claude thinking, but it grabbed 10 images from my Google Drive, and you could specify which specific images. They just need to be publicly accessible for Claude to be able to access them. So it found them, created a caption for each, scheduled the first 4, then I had to tell it to continue here, and now it's just scheduling the last ones. All right, all 10 posts are scheduled, and then if I go to OneUp in the calendar here, if I just refresh, there it is, 10 posts over the next 10 days, all at noon each day. So that's basically it. I can do the same with videos if I wanted as well. If I had 10 social accounts or 100 for that matter, I could do the same thing and ask Claude to schedule it out to each of those social accounts. And you don't have to stop at 10. You could do as many as you want at a time. That's it. So yeah, comment if you have any questions, but that's how to automate your social media using Claude and OneUp and Google Drive.